Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We have 2 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power x multiplied by 2 raised to power x equals 27. So to solve this, we consider the solution from here. Now, this one follows when we have a multiplied by a multiplied by a. So this equals a raised to power of 3. That is, we write this as 2 power x raised to power 3 equals 27. And next, suppose we have a raised to power n raised to power of m. So this equals a raised to power n m. So when we apply it to this, so here is 2 raised to power 3x equals 27. So by what we have here, this is 2 raised to power 3x. I can write this as 3 raised to power 3 because 3 raised to power 3 here is 27. Then, so by this is the power of 3. There is a 3 here, there is a 3 here. So let's raise both sides of this by 1 over 3. So here is 2 raised to power 3x. Then everything raised to power 1 over 3 equals 3 raised to power 3. Everything raised to power 1 over 3. So 3 cancel 3 and 3 also cancel 3. So with this, we have 2 power x equals 3. And let's see how we can get the value of x here. So we introduce log on both sides. We have log 2 power x equals log 3. Then by rule of logarithm, let's say we have log p raised to power n. This equals n log p. That is, here is x log 2 equals log 3. As we need to get x, let's divide both sides by log 2. So we divide both sides by log 2 in both sides. So this cancelled, and we have our x here equals log 3 divided by log 2. And another important rule we have to note here is, suppose we have log 3 divided by log 2 in this form. So this follows when we have log a divided by log b. So this equals log a base b. So we can conclude the final answer here as, so when we apply that principle, we have x equals log 3 base 2. And this is the value of x here. But we have to prove that this satisfies the equations. So here comes to the aspect of checking. So let's check. To check, we write the question 2 power x multiplied by 2 power x multiplied by 2 power x equals 27. And when we substitute this, here is 2 raised to power of log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power of log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power of log 3 base 2. So we want to check if this equals 27. So let's note this rule as well. Suppose we have a raised to power of log b base a. So this equals b. So therefore 2 raised to power log 3 base 2, that is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So this equals 27. Because 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27 equals 27. So which means the value of x here, the value of x, which equals log 3 base 2, satisfy the question. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.